Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Acura RDX hood. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. It's also important to turn off the engine completely before you begin. Next, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever. This is usually located inside the driver's cabin, often on the lower left side beneath the dashboard, near your left foot. Once you've located the interior lever, pull it firmly towards you. You should hear a slight popping sound, indicating the hood has partially released. Now, exit your vehicle and walk to the front. You'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This is typically positioned under the center of the hood, right above the grille. It's a crucial step for fully opening the hood. With your hand, slide underneath the front edge of the hood to locate that secondary safety latch. You'll feel a small lever or mechanism. For many models, you'll need to push this lever sideways, often to the left or right, or sometimes lift it slightly. Once disengaged, the hood will be free to lift. Gently raise it upwards, and it should open smoothly. If your Acura RDX uses a prop rod, make sure it's securely placed to hold the hood open. When you're ready to close it, first remove the prop rod and secure it in its holder. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot or 12 inches above the latch. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the hood until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely latched.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.